Okay, Gene Basler here, Houston, Texas. Trying to see if you can focus in on these fresh, not the big cuts, the little 1-inch ones. All the fresh cuts. There's a bunch of them on that branch, the next one up, and on this tree. It's been completely stripped out. There was no reason to remove any of this live foliage other than, my best guess, force of habit. Bad habits die hard. People have been doing this for 30, 40 years. There's no reason to be removing just because they're widely seen as pests, these vertical sprouts. There's no reason at all. This is a violation of the ANSI standard. This is a violation of just good plain old tree care. Don't remove live foliage from a tree without a good reason. And don't try to sell me this poppycock about how a sucker growth robs the energy from the upper portion of the crown, as if you know better than the tree what it needs. The tree didn't need the foliage, didn't need the leaf surface, the photosynthetic leaf surface. It wouldn't have suckers. This tree, this beautiful post oak, completely stripped out. Brand new, fresh cuts, week old. I don't know how old it is. Last couple of weeks. Tree stripped out. In fact, they didn't even get most of the dead branches. This beautiful live oak, completely stripped.